Welcome to NameTech channel. I hope you're doing good wherever you are. My name is Nehemiah, and today we are going to introduce JavaScript. And I guess before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and also like this video. And so, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the world's most popular programming language, and it's growing very fast. And it was initially used to only for designing interactive web pages, but with a lot of community support like Google and Facebook, now JavaScript can be used to create even a web application, mobile application. It can be used to create the real-time networking apps like the ones for video streaming apps, and for chats like WhatsApp. And also it can be used to create the command line tools, and also it can be used to to create games, the computer games or mobile games. And so where does JavaScript run? So JavaScript can be run in browsers, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or the Google Chrome. So perhaps let me open my browser so that I may show you what I'm trying to say. So just on your browser while it is open, just right click and then click on inspect down here, and then I'll go to the console here, and you can write your JavaScript there, like let me say console, console, and then log, and then you open and close the normal brackets, and then here you write a single quotation mark, and you write your word, let me say introduction to JavaScript, yeah. And then you ensure you close with the same single quotation mark. Then when you click, you can see it prints the introduction to JavaScript. Also, it can be used to create mathematical function, like let me say 100 plus 50. You can see it gives me 150. Also, it can be used to to create those alert on your browser, like you can say alert, and then open and close this bracket, normal brackets, and then a single quotation mark, and I'll say, let me say let me write anything, let me say JavaScript is awesome. So this is the alert, and then you remember to close. And so when you click enter, you can see it gives an alert on your page. So basically this is just for a demo, but this will not where we're going to write those JavaScript, but just for demo. So basically it can be run on your browser, or also it can be run on a node, yeah. So node is a C++ program which includes Google V8 JavaScript engine, and so you can write your JavaScript there for web application and mobile application backends. And so in a nutshell, let's understand how JavaScript is related to HTML and CSS on web development. Remember, we are going to focus mainly on web development. So HTML, as I told you while we were introducing HTML, HTML is a markup language for web for creating web pages, and so it's used to to define the content of our web pages. In other words, it is used to to define the structure, the display of your web page. And then CSS, on the other hand, it's used to specify the layout of our web page or web pages, and basically it's used to style a HTML document. And then now JavaScript now defines the functionality of your web pages. JavaScript is actually it's free. You don't have to pay for it, and you don't have to download. it is already on your browser. So what you need to have is a text editor like the Visual Studio Code that you are going to download, and perhaps you download also Node.js. So basically already JavaScript is installed on your computer, and these are browsers, and also on your laptop, smartphones, and whichever device it is. And so now this JavaScript can also change the the HTML content. It can change the HTML attribute values. It can change the HTML styles, that is CSS. It can hide HTML elements. It can show HTML elements. So straight away, let's download a text editor. Remember, I like Visual Studio Code, so let me just type Visual Studio Code. But you can use any other text editor you want, but for me I always like Visual Studio Code. So let me just click on it to download, and this is Windows, so I'm downloading for Windows, and then I give it time to load, and then I click on download. When it has completed, just open it. Accept the agreement here, then click next again, next again, and then click next, then install. And then you can click on finish. So you can go to your you can click on this this file here, this section, click on it, and then open folder, or create a new folder. Click on open folder, and so you are going to decide the place where you are going to save. For my case, I like saving here the cheat sheet, but now let me create a new folder. Let me right click, and then I click new, and then create a new folder, and then let me say JavaScript tutorial, and then click enter, then select the folder. So now let me clear these stuff here, and so now let's create a HTML. First of all, HTML document through the index.html, and then also let's create a JavaScript file here. So to create a JavaScript file, you can say let me say any name like my script .js. You remember the file path, the name of the it ends with this extension .js. Then I click enter. So we have two HTML and JavaScript. You can actually write an inline JavaScript within the HTML document, or you can use the external one. So before that, let's create the structure for HTML document. So here it is, the structure for HTML document, and perhaps let me zoom out so that we can see everything here. And so this is the structure for HTML document. So you can place your JavaScript here with the script tag. Remember, we use the script tag. So I just write the script tag, and then you place it there on the head, or on the body, here, in the body here at the end. Remember, it's always good to write the JavaScript at the end of the body, because if you write at the top, it can overwrite your HTML document and perhaps change the display. But it's good to write here at the end. So to use an external JavaScript, you are going to write the script again, but with these CRC for source. So you specify the source for your JavaScript. So the name of the external JavaScript is myscript.js. So this is now how you can link your JavaScript there. And so now when you code here, these are the end of the JavaScript. It will affect, or it will have an effect on this HTML document. But for now, I just wanted to introduce to you JavaScript. So in the next video, that's when we'll begin coding JavaScript. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. So in the next video, we are going to begin straight away coding JavaScript. So bye for now, see you later. Thank you.